Hello everyone, this is Edmond once again, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add your products to VeePee Market. In my previous video, Digital Marketing for Beginners Part 1, I taught you how to create an online store using VeePee Market, or how to add your business to the internet using VeePee Market. If you've not watched that, go back and go check it out. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to add your first product to your store. So first of all, you have to come here and click on sell a product. Now, if you are not logged in, I expect that by now you should be logged in, but if you are not logged in, you have to either click here to log in, or you come here. When you click here, you have to log in first before you can be able to come back and sell your product. So let's proceed. So you click on sell your product, and first it brings you to this place. Say sell a product. You have to select your business name, you have to set your product name, the description, and some other information about the product. So let's go. So for this example, the name of my business is Eta Innovations and Lifestyle Limited, and the product I want to sell is Teleport VR Station. All these I'm going to explain them one after the other, but first I want to put the product so that we'll see what we are uploading first. It's a digital device, so we'll start with the images first before coming back here again. So this is it. I'll select the images of the product before coming back. So when your product has been added, your product could be anything. You could be into food business, you could be into cosmetics, you may be into fashion, or are you into electronics like me? Are you into saloon? Are you into automobiles? Or whatever product it is you are selling. So this is just a quick step-to-step guide on how to access that. So you have this place that says product description. You have to tell your customers more about your product and its features. So if you are a good writer, you can come here and write something about your business. So my product description says this device helps users to track their product digitally from their homes in real time using VR. And then usage instructions, I'm going to copy and paste that also. So for this example, I've taken my time to write the name of my product, the product description, because your description has to be long and detailed. I've put the product description. I've taken my time to write the usage instruction for my customers, so that my customers can be able to read and know what the product is all about before they're able to buy. So I took my time to break it down for them. And of course, you have to set the quality, so they will be able to know the quality of the product. Is it a brand new product or is it less quality? You have to set it. Now for this section that says prices and variation, please look up. For this section that says prices and variation, you know the system allows for multiple prices. Now what is a variation and what is a price? Imagine you are a food seller. Maybe you sell grains of rice in the market. So if you sell your rice in bags, it means your variety is what? Is bag, and then a bag, and then you have to write the price of that bag here. Maybe the price of the bag, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm using naira. Let's say the bag of that, the price of that bag is 50,000. So I'm going to put it like this, a bag, and then I have to add another price if I need to. You understand? So if I want to start afresh, I have to delete all prices, starting afresh. So but in this case, variety of this is the full set plus installation. And how much do I charge for that? So this is my price. 22 million naira is my price for each of those of that product. So that is it. So guarantee notes, I can say they are long lasting and highly durable, but we accept returns in a case of damage. So how long does that guarantee last? You can also set it here. So manufacturing date, when was it manufactured, is optional. If you know the manufacturer of your product, maybe you are not the manufacturer, you can put the name of the manufacturer here. The expiry date, if it is if it's a kind of product that can expire, you set it here. Then your delivery notes, what do you have to tell users about the delivery? For example, do you deliver internationally? I say what? Delivery time and price depends on customer location. Do you accept pay on delivery? If it's yes, you change it to yes. If it's no, you change it to no. So everything reflects here on how it's going to broadcast to the general public after I create the product. So you can see everything is set up. Then I say what? save and continue, and that is it. Your product is online. So you can skip for now, you can upload on that product. So I'm going to look at that, teleport, follow VR station. So it is here already on the marketplace, so anybody can search for it anywhere around the world. They are going to see my product. Anywhere you search for it, you are going to see my product. So eventually, in a few days, also, if I check Google, I'm going to see the product. If I check Facebook, I'll see the same product. My customers can purchase from me directly. So that is that. See you in my next video.